Next one's going to be police catch shoplifter emptying entire aisle. Dude, there's nothing on the shelves anyway. What could he take?
Hi there.
Hey, how you
Camp Police, not too bad. You got my camera going, okay?
Okay.
Is that your box?
Yeah, I'm just sitting here.
Putting stuff in there?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put that there and then you can leave it and we'll come out here, okay?
Wait, he just cleared that whole aisle?
What do you have in all your pockets there?
Just a bunch of stuff.
Bunch of stuff? Does it belong to the store? Take them out, you're fine. Do you have any guns?
Bro, that was on you. You messed up, bro.
Nice weapons on you need to know about? You're being audio video recorded, you know that?
Yeah.
Okay, just put your hands on top of your head, you're not going to handcuffs. Just making sure no weapons on you of any kind?
Nope.
Bro, what are you doing? Have you...
Not on your wrist. Drop the item.
And you go. Sir, you need not fight with me. Otherwise, I'll put you on your ass. Okay. I just need my stuff like mine. I have some issues right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Ow. I'm so sorry.
yeah, this is just a guy that needs help, like mentally. That's really unfortunate.
Sorry. Okay.
Remember what I said when you're not going to fight and I told you to put your hands behind your back?
I'm sorry.
And then you wanted to tense up on me?
My brain just misfired. I'm sorry.
Yeah?
I'm so sorry.
Well, I'm glad we got it working now that we're on the ground.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're going to stay like this for a second.
Okay.
Got your brain, that's okay.
Ow.
Oh, I thought he already had it. Oh, gee. Come on, bro.
Lord.
We're going to go out to this car right here.
That was really anticlimactic. I mean, literally nothing.
You go ahead and sit on the push bar for a second. You can talk to
Like, literally.
Okay.
My hands here. Okay.
What?
Sure,
that works. He hasn't been trespassing here.
Can I tell you something that you can maybe put in your report?
That we can put in our report?
Yeah.
Sure.
I was attacked a couple of years ago in Washington. The police were involved in attacking me. It was brutal, and I've been too afraid to tell anybody.
The police attacked you in Arlington?
The police and some people that worked at a mental health facility.
Okay.
I've never been checked into one involuntarily. I've been to one before, and there was no infractions, so I have no mental health record. But when I went there the second time, they attacked me. And a man tried to break my neck twice, and then I went into shock and woke up. And the police were scaring me, pretending to stomp on me, and I held my breath and trying to be dead until I passed out.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that, Kevin.
And I didn't know what to do because the cops were involved, so I'm just afraid.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's... I don't even know how you respond to that. Like, how are you supposed to respond to that?
Ever since then, I've had this voice in my head talking to me, put me down every day, and I'm trying to get my life together, do a job again, but I think I stole my kidney or something, to be honest with you.
Wow.
Because ever since I did that the same day I attacked, I went home the next day, and there's the voices in my head, and they say schizophrenia. I'm distracted is because they're trying to keep me from going to the hospital. I woke up, sleep out 7 nights, I woke up with the yellow hospital blankets all over me.
I mean, like...
it's coordinated. I went to Auburn Medical twice. They wouldn't let me see anyone in the emergency room.
Huh.
Because they were just like, we can't, and like, they didn't say it, but then I fell asleep in the waiting room. Right now because it jarred me. So that's all. Thank you.
Do you think that the jail will be able to take on this? On that?
I do not. That email yesterday, whatever. You can at least INR though. Yeah. Take them there.
Okay, here's what's gonna happen, my man. Your lucky day. Jail has too many people in there. They don't want you.
Okay.
But what I'm still gonna do, I'm gonna take you there. You're gonna get your fingerprinted, and then you'll be cited at large, basically, for your crime. So you're still gonna go down there, get fingerprinted. They'll release you tonight, within maybe an hour, if that, and then you'll be fine to get out of here, and then you'll just have a court date later. Does that all make sense?
Cited a court date for what?
Because you shoplifted, you obstructed arrest.
I'm getting a court date for this? That doesn't make sense to me at all. I want to fight you on that.
You can at your court date.
You gotta go to court.
It's going to be for the obstruction.
You can't. But if I'm not going to jail for a court date for an arraignment, then you can't take me to jail.
Well, let's at least get him in argument.
Yeah.
If he's going to be arguing.
All right, come on.
I'm just trying to stop.
Yeah, it's gonna take half the night to explain that in a way that makes sense to him.
People that want to don't come out. I already know that.
I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but I mean, you're not going to be able to just tell him. You got to be a little bit more patient with him, and these guys are just acting like he should just understand.
All right, go ahead and slide on out, my man. When you come out, I'll have you face towards this back tire here. We'll get you out of handcuffs. When I take you out, you're going to take your left hand out first. You're going to put it on top of the car. That make sense to you?
Yep.
Perfect.
Something happened here or something?
Why does he look terribly familiar?
Because he just got out of here. He doesn't remember what it was for, though. All right, man.
Good?
Yep, have a good night. That address that you told me is Kryonaut.
Yeah.
That's where you'll get your citations at large, okay?
Dude, they're not even like, I mean, y'all know that. That's not even helping anybody. You just put him right back out so you can go get him again and put it on his record so he can have a harder time in life. I mean, get him some real help. All right, next one. Hopefully this is better. Trolling the police doesn't end well.